The internet moves fast. Design doesn't have to. Sometimes slowing things down is what makes them stand out. Most of them look impressive. Very few feel calm. And that's where good design shows up. This page is built around that idea. This is Avento, a landing page designed to feel clean, focused, and balanced. Dark theme, strong contrast, and space that lets content breathe. Each section has a clear role: custom illustrations, simple layouts, subtle motion. Nothing here is accidental. Every choice is intentional. In an AI-driven world, good design still stands out. This is Avento, built with intention.